Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable super reaction notifications on your account on Discord easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now here you'll find notification settings, click on it. And here as you see you will find enable super reaction notifications. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to enable super reaction notifications on your account on Discord easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.